mi pahnih lo langin pakhat chu leito ania pakhat chu Edwin ani leito hi achung te tlo in kho pakhata avachina akhulai len na Edwin ava huwa mitharani thu te thrilin anti ti luama anni pahnih atang hian simple conversation en ho I han tum le teang. Let's hit it. Hi, myself Leto. May I know your good name? Hi, Leto kania. Iming min sil thayang em. Tin Leto chuan. Edwin chun zota. Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Edwin. Edwin chuan. Hi, kanin mu chu. Alo mo me. Edwin kania. Tin alo changa. That's a lovely name. I'm new here. What about you? Leto chuan. Ming boy takani chu. Mithar kania. Nang ve thung tin an lo sot later. Oh, I see. Don't worry. I've been here more than 10 years, you know. So what's bringing you here? Edwin chuan. Leiton hena chuan. Oh, katrie. Kum som chuang. Heta hian. Kaum tawa. Engtitia. Heta lokal nge ini tin. Edwin chuan an sot later. Leito chuan changin. One of my relatives is living here. So I just simply visited for refreshing myself. Kan chung te pakhat heta hian an chenga. Inti thovin nan. Kalau tlo mai ani tin Leito chuan. Achanga. That's awesome. Basically, where are you from? Edwin chuan. Avat thaveo. Khoya chi nge yom. Khoya tangalo kalonge ini chia. Tin alo sot later. Leito chuan changin. Basically, I'm from Tarpo. It's a small village. I don't think you know about it. Tarpo khua kania khote takte ania isiat po karing lo tin Leito chuan alo changa. That's look funny and unique as well. I never heard about it and where exactly it is. Edwin chuan changin aming te chu alom amin adang dai hle mai kala sengai lowa khoya chi nge om tin alo sot later. Leito chuan changin. Well, it's a southern and very close to Natil, only 25 kilometers from Natil. I try chimlamania Natil nen. I nai lutuk kilometers som ni chi ania tin alo changa. Edwin chuan. I have visited once Natil, and very nice place, but I didn't know about Tarpo. If possible, I would like to visit once along with you. Edwin chuan Natil chu voikhat kakal towa nuam takani. Ma se Tarpo chu kaselo. Athayani chuan iruala tlofe kaduani tin alo fiam nui vara. Leito chuan. If God's willing, definitely you will come with me. Leito chuan chang le tin pathian in remati chuan karualin local ve nge don nia ti in an hanin fiam hok hoka Edwin chuan by the way would you like to visit my home too engpo ni se kanina local ve du em ti in han sot let ve a Later chuan chang fatin well it's gonna be 8 o'clock I have to move right now definitely I'll come to visit your place this evening a try tari dona ka kalangai tlat mai voin klaya iom na chuan kalokal nge yang ti chuan later chuan an changa Edwin chuan chang let vadin No problem. Thanks for your precious time. Hope we'll see you this evening. Atraveke ihun lutaka wangin kalome. Playa in mule. Base potang di in polite tak chuan Edwin chuan later chuan changa. You should the same. Hold on a second. Let me use your lighter. Later chuan. Nang pole look in. Lighter min lo ho ti lok mai ti in lighter and dila. Edwin chuan sorry. I don't smoke. You also should trying to give up smoking. It's very complicated and very unhealthy as well. Edwin chuan rang taka chang letin avasialo ve meika sungai lawa nang po ban san tumro Mizo ki anok sakin taksatan arisial lo lutukania tin good advice an lo pevevat poka later chuan nui varin everyone told me that so I should do it anyway I gotta go Take care. Tu mai po hian ban san tur hian min thrila ka ti nge anga yani yang po ni se ka kal mai o lawin an kol thala ti chuan leito chuan Edwin su an thla Edwin po chuan chang let vatin you too take care see you soon nang po lawin an kol thala o kanin mule vat donia ti in anin thlata ani he video tan chun kan lo du tok le photanga thanks for watching